What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aaron Sports Cards. Today I'm going to open up my monthly subscription of the Rookie Card Explosion Box. This is volume 31. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we get this month. Here's the list. If you want to take a quick look at that, I'll be reading off the packs as we go. Here's our packs. All right, so let's get this party started. Hope everyone's having a good time out at the National. I wish I could have made it. Unfortunately, wasn't able to go. But I'm sure you guys are having plenty of fun and really enjoying watching all your videos and stuff. So let's go ahead and crack into this thing. 2014 Top Series 1 is our first pack. And we're going to be looking for Xander Bogaerts and Castellanos. Take a look and see what we get. All right, here we go. We got Garrett Jones, Onelki Garcia, rookie card. We got a Pablo Sandoval. Jason Worth, Jonathan Lucroy, Upper Class, 2008 Upper Class, Jacoby Ellsbury. Kind of a cool looking design. Jim Adducci rookie, Bruce Rondon, and Eric Stoltz. Oh, here's a Puig rookie cup. It's kind of cool. I think he's pretty much been blacklisted from the MLB, but he was pretty entertaining back in the days when he was on the Dodgers. But way too many antics. Okay, here we go. Next up is 2018 Topps Heritage High number. And here we'll be searching for Shohei Ohtani, Juan Soto, Ronald Acuna Jr., Gleyber Torres, and Austin Meadows. So let's see if we can get lucky and pull an Acuna or a Ohtani. That'd be pretty awesome. All right, here we go. We got a Blake Sweetheart, Trevor Williams, Dixon Machado, Tim Beckham. Here we have one of those, I forget what this is called, deckled edge, I believe. Facsimile autograph, Jose Abreu. These are pretty cool. I've actually pulled a Shohei Ohtani rookie in that design. Now we have Matt Koch, Dan Vogelbach, a rookie card of Fernando Romero, and Austin Jackson. Okay, well, unfortunately, nothing too crazy in that one. Let's move on to 2019 Donruss Optic. This is retail. This is one of the first times I can remember Filmington featuring a Panini product. And if it has happened, not too often because I can't seem to remember. So I believe there's 4 cards in here. And looks like the key rookies we'll be searching for are going to be Tatis and Vladdy Guerrero Jr. So let's see if we can get lucky. Got a Chris Davis, Matt Chapman, Enyel De Los Santos. I guess that'd be considered a silver. And Taylor Hearn, rated rookie. Okay, well, we're getting off to kind of a cold start here, so Well, let's hope things start warming up a bit. Here we have 2019 Topps Series 1. In here we'll be searching for Shohei Ohtani, Rookie Cup, Juan Soto, Rookie Cup, Ronald Acuna, Rookie Cup, Kyle Tucker, Cedric Mullins, Corbin Burns, Ramon Laureano, and Brandon Lau. All right, let's take a look-see. All right, Chris Bryant, Billy Hamilton, Cole Stewart, Colby Allard. There we go. Got a Brandon Lau rookie. Not too bad. Houston Astros, Michael Fulmer. Looks like this is like a rainbow foil or something. Michael Fulmer rainbow foil. Oh, this must be I got kind of thrown off. Geez, what if that was actually a real Mookie Betts rookie reprint? Still pretty cool though. Expired home run challenge. George Springer, David Price, Lou Trevino, Corey Dickerson, Franmil Reyes, Future Stars, Alex Gordon, and Martin Perez. All right, keep it moving, keep it moving. Next up, 2019 Topps Update. We'll be looking for the Vladimir Guerrero, Fernando Tatis, rookie debut, and Austin Riley. Let's see what we can get out of here. We got a Trevor May, Brendan Rodgers, Matt Strahm, Austin Riley rookie, Matt Chapman, iced out Boston, Urias Familia, Acuna Family Business. It's kind of cool. Robinson Cano, Kevin Pillar, Carlos Santana, Edwin Diaz, Shelby Miller, Wei Ching Huang. Okay, well, we got the Austin Riley. Guess that's all right. Now we got 2020 Bowman. This is retail. We'll be looking for Dominguez, Bobby Witt Jr., Davis, Jarren Duran, Bayron Lora, and Robert Poison. So let's see if we can pull any of those guys. It'd be cool to get a Dominguez or a Bobby Witt Chrome. Okay, we got Hanser Alberto, Mike Soroka, Robel Garcia, Victor Mesa, spanning the globe, Cody Hosey. There we got a Bayron Lora paper. Decent. CJ Abrams, Cannon Smith, Adam Hall, Cody Bellinger, Jeff McNeil, and Fernando Tatis. Well, unfortunately, we didn't get any Chrome cards or any Chrome First Bowmans that were notable. But we did get the Bayron Lora paper, which is decent. Okay, next pack. Looking at 2020 Topps Retail. We'll be searching. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's correct. Oh, boom. This is Topps Chrome. 2020 Topps Chrome, Bo Bichette, Luis Robert, Jordan Alvarez, Randy Arozarena, Gavin Lux, and Trent Grisham. And hopefully we can pull a banger in one of these last couple packs, but can't win them all. Been getting pretty lucky these last few boxes, so I don't want to get too greedy. Morajan. We got a Future Stars, Guerrero Jr. That's pretty cool. Put that aside. Trey Mancini and DJ LeMahieu. Okay, last 2 packs. We got 2020 Heritage Minor League. We're looking for Mauricio, I forget his first name. Luciano, Wander Franco, Julio Rodriguez, Adley Rutschman, and CJ Abrams. Marco Luciano, that's right. Now I remember. Okay. Ryan Weathers, Bobby Bradley, Miguel Vargas, Xavier Edwards, saves leaders, Braylon Marquez, Greg Jones, and Jose Garcia. Okay, so that pack was kind of a sleeper. Let's take a look into this final pack. 2021 Bowman. Looking for Austin Martin, Blaze Jordan, Maximo Acosta, Perez, Cespedes, Alcantara, Sabato, and De La Rosa. So let's hope for some last pack mojo here. Got Nate Pearson, Xander Bogaerts, Paul Goldschmidt, Josh Bell, Talent Pipeline. Ooh, nice. Got the Maximo. Okay. That's not too bad. Cool. And a Robert Hassel Chrome. He was one of the better prospects as far as I remember from 2020. We got a Mick Abel, Tyler Freeman, and CJ Chatham. Okay, well, do a quick little recap. Got the Brandon Lau flagship rookie card. Got the Maximo Acosta first Bowman Chrome. The Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Future Stars. Bayron Lora first Bowman paper. This family business Ronald Acuna Jr. Austin Riley rookie. And this reprint of the Mookie Betts Topps rookie. So that's about it. That's going to wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks as always for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I look forward to talking with you guys soon. Take care. Peace.